Welcome friends, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, today we are going to discuss future continuous tense. As already we had a discussion on tense. Now, future continuous tense we want to learn according to these different types of sentences. We have a affirmative sentence, negative sentence, then interrogative sentence and WH questions. And we learn these sentences according to, or we can say throughout the subjects. We are having the subjects like first person, second person and third person. This one is your singular subject I and that is plural. Now these are the first, second, third person subject. Take the help of this subject and do arrangement of the sentences like affirmative sentence. Now here we understand affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence मध्ये आपला रूल आहे. या रूल मध्ये सब्जेक्ट देन फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये आपल्यासाठी शाल आणि विल ही सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदे, त्याच्यानंतर बी आणि देन प्लस V4 means main verb plus ing and then object. This is your structure for sentences. Now take the example of this one. You can take any subject. Mainly I च्या नंतर आपल्याकडे shall हे future continuous tense मध्ये कंपल्सरी आहे किंवा आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की डेफिनेट आहे. I shall, then you can take the action go, I shall, then you can take be, I shall be going to market, I shall be going to market. This is your sentence structure. Now you can take next example or next subject. We will take here he, then the subject he will be going to market. Same for that. This is for your future continuous tense which is in affirmative sentence. Now we discuss here next which is future continuous tense in negative type of sentences. Now here we have a rule. Subject, that the rule you can understand here. Subject plus shall oblique will. That means you can take any of these. Then we have a negative form not, or you can take negative short form of nt. Then we can take be. Then we have a helping main verb V4 and then object. After that we have a full stop. Now let us understand the sentence structure. We have a different subjects here. We can take I shall not, you can take here be, I shall not be going to market. Now this is your sentence. You can take next subject. This I is specific for, shall is specific for this I. But apart from this I shall, you can take whole subject. That means we, you, they, he, she. You can take will. Now you can take here he will not be going. He will not be going to market. This is your next sentence for future continuous tense in negative sentence. Now you can understand next type which is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence in future continuous tense. Now we have a number of subjects here and according to this subject our sentence structure will vary. आता हे सेंटेन्स स्ट्रक्चर कसं होणार आहे इंटरोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स मध्ये. इंटरोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स हे टू टाइपचे असतात. एक आहे WH क्वेश्चन आणि येस नो टाइप क्वेश्चन. येस नो टाइप क्वेश्चनची सुरुवात नेहमी तुमच्या सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदाने होते. जसं आपल्याकडे शाल विल आहे. Now then after that your subject, then you can take be, then you can take V4, then you can take object. Now we have a subject here I. Then first of all you can start shall I, then be, shall I be going to market. This is your question and yes no type question. Now you can take next one which is will you be going to market. This is your next sentence and according to that म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने आपलं इंटरोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स इन yes no टाइप सेंटेन्स फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये होतं. नेक्स्ट आहे ते आपलं WH क्वेश्चन. आपण या केस मध्ये एक्झाम्पल्स थोडी कमी बघतो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मस्ट अंडरस्टँड द रूल and we need to do more practice for that. once you are making a practice or doing, that means first of all you need to understand this thing here. फक्त रूल्स लक्षात घेणं गरजेचं आहे. देन रूल समजून आले त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला सब्जेक्टचे व्ह्यू लक्षात घेणं गरजेचं आहे, कारण या सब्जेक्ट्सनुसार चेंजेस जे होणार आहेत ते पर्सन, नंबर आणि जेंडर. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टँड फर्स्ट, as actually we had a discussion. Now here you can understand WH questions. Before starting WH question in future continuous tense, please friend, तुम्हाला जर आपलं हे लेक्चर आवडत असेल तर तुमच्या इतर फ्रेंड सोबत शेअर करा. देन तुम्ही चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, कारण आपल्याकडे इंग्लिश लँग्वेज लर्निंगची n नंबर ऑफ लेक्चर्स आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये अनेक गोष्टी आहेत. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपण बेसिक ग्रामर बघितलं, टेन्स बघितले, याच्यानंतर ग्रामरशी रिलेटेड वेगवेगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, देन रायटिंग स्किल हे आपण अपकमिंग सेशन्समध्ये पाहणार आहोत. सो डू अंडरस्टँड WH क्वेश्चन. आता WH क्वेश्चन म्हणजे काय, तर फर्स्ट तुमचं या ठिकाणी WH वर्डनं तुमचं सेंटेन्सेस चालू होतं आणि नेक्स्ट त्याचं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे ते आपल्याकडे इथे दिलेलं आहे. ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टँड WH क्वेश्चन्स. फर्स्ट WH वर्ड, देन सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद, हेल्पिंग वर्ड, देन बी, then V for then object. Now let us understand for any subject from this. Then we can take why. You can take then why shall I be going to market? Why shall I be going to market? This is your sentence. Now you can take why will he be going to market? Going to market. This is your sentence structure for interrogative sentence in future continuous tense, or you can say WH question. Thank you. Thanks for all.